Hey guys, good morning and welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Grocery shopping from Walmart. Today is June 18, guys. Quickly shopping in Walmart. Prego meat sauce, guys. Tomato sauce yan, guys. Rich, uh, onion and milk, cookies, asparagus. Asparagus cheap today, guys. Reduce the price, that's why we bought that. Egg and this one 3 pound of ground beef. This manga, tomato, lemon, biscuit sausage, and bacon, sliced bread, and Yakult. Cheese. That is the pasta, guys, for lasagna. Cheese, another cheese. Shrimp. This one cheese also. And spin, guys, for 99.17 or 59 pesos. And that's it, guys. Bye, guys.